好正啊！
我正常喺香港見唔到嘅嘢，而家見到晒。On the tarmac of Air Macau Airport，
就係俾我哋入嚟呢度，直接參觀入面嘅內涵，都學到好多嘢。
I get to see them up close. A lot of stuff that normal people can't see. 非常開心。好開心啊！
近距離接觸嗰啲飛機啊
37 Max 啊，呢啲我真係第一次見。
The most enjoyable part was going to the tarmac at the Macau International Airport and watching the planes take off and land.
最難忘啊！可以同啲機師揮手，
係可以近距離同啲機師揮手。
I enjoyed the plane spotting part the most because there are a lot of different A320s. There was even an A310 there. It was a very amazing experience watching the planes close up, and I really enjoyed it.
飛機底下面望上去咧，覺得架飛機突然之間變大咗好多。